Welcome to WebRaft. Today we will talk about free nodejs hosting with 1 GB RAM and 1 GB storage, also with 24/7 hosting. It also supports Discord bot coding. To get a free hosting, head on to webraft.in and click on Hostings. And scroll down to Nodejs Hosting and click Visit. After opening, select Nodejs Hosting. Enter your app name and hit Continue. If you do not already have an account, then register it by filling in the details. After some time, your Node.js hosting package will be activated by us. It may take 24 to 48 hours. When your package is activated, you will get an activation email with your panel details. Copy your credentials and click on your panel URL. And here you have the editor. Using this editor you can code files and run Node. It also provides terminal. Thank you for watching. And if you have any doubts about our hosting, then you can open a ticket. Also, if you encounter any error or bug, then please report it to us. Note that it may take 24 to 48 hours for activating your account.